Alright, y'all, Cordele, Georgia, first truck meet.
A Duramat.
I don't know who truck that is over there. Then we got the four-wheel drive.
I'm white.
We got the four-wheel drive Chevrolet right here. Real four-wheel drive. Then we got full sin. We got Big Bertha here. Oh hell. Oh hell. Okay. Okay, full sin. Okay. You could turn a circle and be in the same spot.
Cut a circle, put it in the same spot.
So this a real four-wheel drive?
Four-wheel steer. Four-wheel steer and four-wheel drive.
And do that one more time. Oh, that's nice. All right. Oh, that big it turn corner like no problem, like no other. Now watch how you fit the bike right back in there.
Hey, but the back don't turn it hard. They don't turn it hard. And we ain't turning the job. I couldn't do that in here.
Lord have mercy. And this is a Chevrolet 1500, y'all.
It's like a goddamn snake. Goddamn right front of the bed. Goddamn wheel.
It'll throw you off every time. And what year that truck is? What year is this? 03. 03. Okay, hey, what's up, man? What year is it?
91.
91. You say got 12 valve in it? Alright, okay. You got no upgrades there to it? Okay. And what size lift for this? Okay. Oh yeah, this thing sounds good, man. Got the big hitch in the back. Yeah, she clean, man. She clean. Got the big tip. Huh? Hey, that diesel guy, I gotta respect diesel, dog. Damian Miller. Alright, this is Bryson with the 6'4" power stroke, man. This is my twin truck right here. Got the dual exhaust. I'm talking about signing good. Big boy huge back there. I'm talking about that thing fat, man. That thing fat. And of course, you know what I'm saying, you got me right here. Trucker dude, you know what I'm saying, you got me over here. Fat too. This the Yee mobile right here. The 4-wheel drive truck.
Right behind the passenger. Like right behind it.
This the ass truck right here. Clean as hell. I'm talking about clean as hell. Ash, say what up, YouTube. It's too late, dog. I'll tell you the government name and everything, man. This AKW properties. Yeah. AKW properties. TK. Blue F-150. Looking good. I'm talking about looking great. And then, boy, got fam over here, boy, with the black F-150. Lord help muscle. I'm talking about, woo. Boy, hey, boy, you got some paint up on there, too. You got some paint up on there, too, now. Okay. Car looking good, boy. I'm talking about car looking great, boy. So he looking great. Looking great. Then we got the F-150 over the rear. Man, they really F-150 Claw too. Huh? They really F-150 Claw too.
F-150 press started.
I see, this F-150 Claw too. F-150 Claw, but it 2 350s over there though. Looking good over here. Yeah. I gotta do a separate video on that man car here by itself. This car beat so hard, man. You see what it done did to the door. I'm telling you, now that pressure, boy. Stat song. That man got a keychain around his neck. I thought it would have get in the car. That was for the radio. I ain't never seen that like that before. This the crew. That man told me he was gonna subscribe to my channel, dog. He just kept me down so bad, but it's all good though. Another F-150. What's up with the 150s, man? Sound good though. Man, I'm tired of the F-150 Claw too, dog. Hey, Mr. Sir. Looking good over here, dog. Looking good over here, man. Yeah, man, looking good, man. You know what I'm saying, man. Wide too? This man don't like to kill me with the drone. Right.
Yeah, it do it for the little bit. It kind of like it messed up, so I don't know what we gotta do to it. Get both of them.
Yeah, I like that. I kind of want to get me one now.
Yeah, I just like how it looks.
I do too. I like light, dog. I like the Ford symbol too, man. I like light, man.
I gotta get that helmet. I gotta get that motherfucker. I'm finna show you where it is.
Yeah, I like that. I want the helmet too. I want one to go on my front grill.
I don't even want.
I want the front and the back.
I ain't gonna change my grill.
All of it mud.
I mean, you ain't gotta change the grill no more.
That gonna sound reset.
recording through the mirror, but
The middle open.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Good. What over that?
$200 in the hat, and our truck that you pick out here, we're gonna put on the line with you. We got the. Oh yeah, you did say you wanted this one right here now.
I did, but I ain't call that red truck.
Hey, Vernon.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
Hey, Vernon.
Yes, you did. Don't count.
Hey, did he call your truck out? Did he call your truck out?
Hey, he called you cap. He said he didn't call your truck out, bro.
So you wasting time now. What truck you want? Don't freeze up now. Earlier you had them motherfuckers going like you ready to race. We out here now. And you all work. You ain't got to go back in there. Don't freeze up now. Stand behind your truck that you got $10,000 in.
Stand behind the truck. Is that my leave everything is flying out?
Which one you want? We got the F-150 over here. We got the F-150 right here for you. We got the L350. The L350 right there. There go another F-150, and there go another one. So which one you want? And they gonna put their title against your $200.
Oh man.
Here go your chance to win the free truck now. You got the white, the black, the green, the red, and the blue.
The heaviest truck is that one. The lightest truck probably gonna be his. This one.
Yeah, I better turn on that white so that big old.
Oh, that one. Oh, the blue one. The heavy truck gonna be out. I don't know what it do.
But when they do go there, you gonna get that bitch on.
So which one you want?
Just turn your little beat on and
Kill yourself, you know what I'm saying?
No. Here go the money. Now which one you want?
these niggas for real.
Hey, YouTube, I don't think this young man want to do nothing. I think he want to go home and go to sleep from work. He'll work hard. He'll want to race the truck now.